What's up, my YouTube family? It's your girl Shy Queen, and today I'm back with another video. So today, guys, guess what I'm cooking? I'll be cooking curry chicken. So stay tuned if you want to see how I make my curry chicken. This is all the ingredients that you will need. So this is some chicken seasoning, my favorite, some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder, cayenne pepper, salt, some black pepper. I have like a complete seasoning here. I might use it, I might not use it. And then I add some oil. And then over here I have some bell pepper, onion, additional scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, you can call it green onions, and I did say thyme already, yeah. And then I have some allspice pimento seed, and that's all I'll need for my curry chicken. And of course my chicken is already washed and cleaned up, and so of course you need your pot. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna preheat my stove. Meanwhile, I season my chicken so that when it's done I can just throw my chicken in. So you need a little cooking oil, not too much. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my seasonings. I'm going to use a tablespoon. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning. And you can use any seasoning of your choice, but this is what I use. I like my own seasoning, Jamaican seasoning. This is some all-purpose, and I'm using 1 TBS. Alright, I'm gonna go in with some salt, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon salt is enough. And then, of course, I'm not gonna measure the black pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna use some of this special jerk. So this is a special jerk. I'm just gonna use a little because I don't want it too salt. Special jerk seasoning. And then I'm gonna go in with my curry powder. Okay. Well, this is some cayenne pepper, just a little. And then now I'm gonna go in with my curry, and I'm gonna do just 1 TBS. So I'm going to use 3 TBS curry, okay? And then of course I'm going to add a little curry to my oil because I like to burn my curry. I think it tastes better and it gives it a better look. So I'm going to stir in my seasoning. So you can add your natural ground seasoning now, or you can add it later. Everyone cooks different. So what I like to do, I like to put my chicken first. After like 10-15 minutes I come back, and then I add my seasonings, and then I just let it sit for a while before I add the water for it to cook. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do mine. So the oil is ready. I'm gonna go in with some curry powder, and I'm gonna let it burn. Alright, and then this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go in now. And so meanwhile it simmers, I'm gonna cut up my seasoning. I already washed them, guys. Everything is already washed and pre-prepped, so they clean. I'm just gonna use I think I'm gonna use half onion. Yeah. And then I usually just wash my onions again after I peel the skin off. So I'm gonna wash it right now. I'm only going to use half of scotch bonnet pepper because it's really hot, and I already did add some cayenne pepper, and I'm going to use half bell pepper. So I usually just clean my pepper. And then I'm going to wash it again. Alright. So 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna cover it before I add my seasonings. This knife is so dull, but it's doing the work. Okay guys, so this is how my seasoning looks. So I have my my allspice seed, my scallion, which you can call it green onion if you choose to, some thyme, some bell pepper, and some onion. Now you can use tomato if you want, you can use color bell peppers if you want, but I choose to use the green one. Okay, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my seasonings in a minute, and then after it's like cooked down for like 10-15 minutes, I'll come back and show you guys how I add my water for it to cook, right? And then I'm gonna do some steamed rice because Jamaican love their curry chicken with some white fresh steamed rice. So I'm gonna make some rice meanwhile I wait for the water to go in my curry chicken. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my seasoning. And then I'm gonna let this sit and steam for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm ready to show you guys what my curry chicken looks like. So this is how it looks right now. Alright, so it's already like pre-cooked. So I'm gonna go in with my water. I'm gonna let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes because that's how I like my chicken, well done. So I'm gonna let it boil for 30 to 35 minutes. You guys can like do yours longer or at a shorter time depending on how you like your chicken, but I like mine's well done, so stay tuned for the final touch. Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna add my potatoes. This is how it looks right now. See if I can zoom up. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my potatoes and carrot. And I'm only gonna let this cook for 10 minutes and then it'll be all ready, okay? I love curry chicken, it's my favorite meal. Comment down below in the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your comment down below. And give it a thumbs up, guys. Okay, so alright guys, so this is how my curry chicken is looking right now. It's basically finished on the last touch. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes so the potatoes can cook along with the carrots that I just added. And then I'm gonna share some in a dish and show you guys how my curry chicken is looking. And then you guys can comment down below and tell me what y'all think. Okay, guys? This is my lovely curry chicken served with some white rice and some broccoli, cauliflower, and some carrot on the side. So guys, comment down below and tell me if you like my curry chicken, Jamaican style. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn your post notification on so you can get notified when I do another video. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.